with their scooters and then my scooter. But I had to put it on a slower mode so that way it's not too fast. So, yeah. So we're at the park. Wait, you guys. There they are. Watching the Royal Family Dance Crew. Oh, I miss them. I miss Corbin, Twiddly Hooch. She's my favorite. Right there. She's Samoan. Polly Swag, yeah. Polly Swag. Is where the Haka and just the Mana Polynesians bring into any spaces they are in. So, yeah. Whether it's black spaces, white spaces, and gray areas. So, yeah, so that's cool. Cool. And this is New Zealand, so a lot of Pacific Islanders. Choo. Okay, I gotta stop saying choo. I don't like this part. And it's Periscope, the creator of Royal Family Dance Crew, and everything, and stuff. The question. Periscope. She's a boss mode. Fasting, day 7, only on liquids for Jesus Christ. So, yep. Cheers. Fasting day 7. So, basically, it's been about a week of fasting. Just a liquid diet fast. So, yeah. Peace, Shaka. Just wanted to talk a minute. It's the sunshine. City trees, Southtown, Sacramento, Citrus Heights. So yeah, peace, Shaka. It's on these chairs, these benches, wooden benches, whatever. So yeah, and I'm at the park right now. I'm gonna go walk on the trail and then probably sit on the grass or something. But I don't have a towel or something to sit on, so maybe I'm not gonna sit on the grass. But yeah. So, but I'm at the park, so I'm just gonna chill and be in nature. So, peace. Sure. Down the trail, I'm at the road from the trail. So, yeah, that's niece and nephews. Peace, shut up. Say hi. Hi. Bye. Yeah. We just went to the park. Yeah. At town, the sunshine, And yeah. YouTube or social media. I'm on fasting day 9 so far. And just drinking liquids, no solid food, and yeah, for Jesus Christ. What do you meme found game, where you pick a meme reaction to the caption cards, and then we put it on the ESO and stuff. Okay, so yeah, and here's the instructions. Yeah, and yeah, so here's the cards. Look at all these memes or there. Okay. Meme game. Can I say hi? Hi. Hi. We're playing the meme game. I chose when your student asks if they can be excused for the rest of their lives for this one, and then Troy picked this cards from the stack of these, the memes. Oh, look, there's these memes, and then these are the captions. These are the captions. When you're working and the anchovies come in by the busload for lunch hour, and then it's like, we're there. Here's the reaction. These are the cards to play the game. What do you mean? Oh, can I get that back? Okay. And then you just put it on top here, and then we had to figure out which one has the best caption. When you go to your girlfriend's house, but she has her karate gloves on. And then we put, no, squirrel friend. Yeah. So this is the game, but I'm gonna return it and get the other What Do You Mean game, family game, and then try to see if that one would be better captions. But I like the pictures, the memes, but the captions are kind of weak. So, but yeah, but it's still fun. Yeah. So peace. Shut up.
Bye.
Okay, bye.